What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn, and in today's episode, I will show you how to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first of all, go to your Google and search whatGPT.ai and go to their website. And on your website, it will show that you can open it in WhatsApp and it will redirect you to your WhatsApp app. And right there, you will have a chat of this one. This is the ChatGPT bot. So you just need to click start and I accept. After you've done that, as you can see that you already joined the What GPT bot, and the only downside of this bot is it's not free, and you will need to pay before you can access the bot features. And even if you chat the Chat GPT bot right here, it will not answer, and it just replies you with the same one. And you really need to pay first before you can access the full potential of this bot. And you can choose your plan. For example, like choose one up, and it will show you the link where you can pay the subscription, and that's it. That's how you're going to do it. Also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.